Now, another good thing with this system, sometimes it's a bit tricky, especially if you've just deleted your phone and repaired it like I've done. So I'll just go through it. We go to music, onto music. I'll turn this down. I don't want it playing through the speakers, so hopefully that's turned right down. We'll click play and onto the music. The silver triangle with the 3 silver circles at the bottom, if you click on that, you'll see it's only showing iPhone. It's not giving me another option. So over here you've got auxiliary. If I click on auxiliary, again it's Bluetooth audio has not been selected. Right, so back to settings. If we go to audio, you'll see nothing there except controls on what to use. So we go to settings, down to Bluetooth, click on Bluetooth, pair Bluetooth device, paired device list, onto paired device list, hands-free, and then audio. So we'll click on audio. Sorry, I'll just get that back. Click on audio, you've got Barry's iPhone. Click enter. Device name, select, switch into audio, Barry's phone. Now, you'll see there, still nothing's happened. But if I turn off the ignition, lock the door, open the door, start the car again, with a bit of luck when it comes back on, and we click auxiliary, Barry's iPhone connected, and my car comes up there. So if you're struggling getting the audio through, just do that. That's how you do it.